Hi guys, sure you can feel that the energy is all low for today. Yeah. Um. So it's because it's been a very intense and an emotional week for me. I came to the farm on the 4th of August, and then I noticed that all my animals were good and doing okay. Then on the 5th of August, when I came, I noticed that Karpo had given birth to 13 piglets. So I came back on the 7th, and then I noticed that Hephzi had also given birth to 13 piglets. So in all, we've had 26 piglets within a span of 48 hours. It was something I was very excited about, and I was so much in high spirits that I forgot to balance my excitement with responsibility, and it cost me a lot. I just felt that I should share with you. So what happened? After these two sows gave birth, they gave birth unassisted, and their children were doing well for up to like on the 10th. So on the 11th, we lost 4 piglets in the litter, 1 from Hephzi and then 3 from Karpo's piglets. They drowned in the pool where Karpo drinks water and then also cools off herself. But this was entirely my fault, and I take responsibility for it, because I thought that because the animals had survived the first 3 days that were very critical for their lives, I asked that my attendant increase the water in the pool so that Karpo can drink water at will, and because it's breastfeeding, and the same as Hephzi too. But the error I made was that we increased the water in the pool in the evening. That was a very terrible mistake. Yes. So now we were left with 22 piglets. I wish that was the end of the bad news, but unfortunately it wasn't. Another thing happened. We had to vaccinate the piglets. We had to give them iron, clip their teeth, So I called the vet. The vets had delayed. So finally I had to go get a vet to come over. That's on the 7th. This should be on the 12th. So when the vet finally came, we started administering the iron injections. For some reason, Karpo became very aggressive. Karpo is not known to be an aggressive mama, but this time it went all out, trying to attack the vet who was coming to administer the iron. And I understand that's what good mothers will do. Hephzi rather was not as aggressive as Karpo. Hephzi would challenge the vet, but wouldn't go all out to attack him. But Karpo went all out. In the bid to challenge the vet, Karpo stepped on 4 piglets. They didn't die. They had serious fractures. 2 couldn't walk at all, and the other 2, they had to lame and all that. When we came back the next day, one of those had died. It died in a hole Karpo had dug. I don't know why they all like to go and then lie in that particular hole. Meanwhile, in their crib area, we have sawdust to keep them warm and all that. But they prefer to lie in the cold sand, in the pit that Karpo had dug. And as it's walking, what I noticed was that later 2 of the animals, those who were fractured and couldn't move properly, they had come to that point and Karpo stepped on them. And so out of the 26 piglets, right now we only have 20 piglets. It's unfortunate. My pigs are great mothers, but I wasn't a responsible owner. So we have only 20 piglets left now. One is still limping, hasn't healed. In fact, two. One has healed better than the other. And so that's where we are at for now. So moving forward, what I have decided to do is that I have decided that the water drums we have, some of them will be converted into their watering troughs with nipple drinkers, so that when an animal litters, their pool will not have to contain water. They will drink from the water tanks through the nipple drinkers. You know, the farm is not mine, so I can't do construction works like installation of nipple drinkers in the pens. So the solution I have thought of to come up with is to install them on the drums and then fill the drums with water, so that the sows can be drinking when they are due. I've contacted someone to come and help me with that. It's taking time for the person to come, but I'm sure that before 31st we should have scaled this mountain, so that Hephzi, when it litters, will be ready. You know, we wouldn't incur some of these losses we had with Karpo. So right now we have 20 piglets, and out of the 20 piglets, we are deciding to keep 2 females from Karpo and then 2 females from Hephzi, because these are very good mothers and we would want to maintain that bloodline. And however, we are also looking at finding a new home for the 16 piglets that would be left. We are looking at finding a new home for them by the time they are 8 weeks old. We are targeting a weight range of between 16 and 22 kg for the piglets by the time they are 8 weeks old. So yeah, that is the aim and the vision. So if you are interested, you can just keep your eye on this page at that time when you open up the opportunity, so that if you are looking at improving the quality of animals on your farm, you can get some of these piglets to help you improve the quality of animals you have on your farm. So that's the update. It's been a week full of joy and mixed emotions and a hard lesson, you know, and a decision. But on the whole, I believe that the farm is growing and it's advancing. And so we are happy about that. We are happy about that. And we are looking forward to a greater and a better future for the farm.